Everyone thinks the best-selling electric salt and pepper grinder set is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Ion Electric Grinder Set. First up is the Ion Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. Priced at $29.08, this one caught my eye with its sleek design and impressive features. If you want precision seasoning with ease, this is worth a serious look. What's great about this grinder set is its 5 adjustable coarseness levels. You know that moment when you sprinkle salt and it just feels off. With this, you can fine-tune your grind for soups or coarse for steaks. It delivers consistent seasoning every time. Plus, it's battery-powered, which means you can operate it with one hand. That's a game changer when you're juggling pots and pans. But here's the thing, some users mention that the battery compartment can be a bit tricky to access. It's not a deal breaker, but if you're someone who changes batteries often, it might get a little annoying. Still, if you're looking for a reliable and stylish grinder, this one is a solid pick. This is perfect for you if you often find yourself cooking with one hand while trying to manage other tasks. Skip this one if you prefer a manual grinder for a more traditional experience. It's definitely good value for money considering the features. Now, if that battery access issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Thermomaven Grinder Set. Next up is the Thermomaven Upgraded Electric Grinder Set priced at $50.59. Right away, I was drawn to its rechargeable feature and the sleek stainless steel design. If you want a grinder that's not only functional but also stylish, this is one to consider. What really stands out is its large 110 ml capacity, meaning fewer refills when you're busy cooking. So whether you're whipping up a delicate dressing or grilling a steak, you can get the grind just right. Plus, the built-in LED light is a nice touch, no more guessing in dim lighting. However, some users noted that it can take a while to charge fully. Personally, I think it's not a huge issue if you remember to charge it after use. But if you're in a rush, it might be a bit frustrating. This is perfect for you if you love cooking and want a blend of style and practicality. Skip this one if you prefer a simple, non-rechargeable option. Overall, it's worth the investment for the quality you get. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a budget-friendly choice. Product number 3, Sanken Gravity Grinder Set. Coming in at just $11.37, we have the Sanken Gravity Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. I was surprised that such a budget-friendly option could offer so much. If you want something that's easy to use without breaking the bank, take a look at this. What's really cool about the Sanken grinder is its gravity sensing technology. Just flip it over and it starts grinding. No buttons, no fuss. This is great for one-handed operation, especially when you're busy. Plus, it has an adjustable coarseness feature so you can customize your grind. However, a few users have mentioned that the gravity mechanism can be a bit too sensitive, sometimes grinding when you don't want it to. I'd say it depends on your cooking style. If you want something simple and quick, it's a great fit. This is perfect for you if you want an easy, no-fuss solution for seasoning your meals. But if you're looking for a more traditional grinder experience, you might want to pass on this one. For the price, it's a great value. Now, if the sensitivity issue isn't something you want to deal with, the next product might just offer a more controlled experience. Product number 4, Rechargeable Salt and Pepper Shakers. Next is the rechargeable salt and pepper shakers priced at $63.23. This one really stands out because of its USB-C dual charging base. How cool is that? If you want modern convenience in your kitchen, this one's a must-see. This grinder set also features adjustable coarseness and a large capacity for less frequent refills. The stainless steel finish gives it a sleek look, and the LED light helps you see exactly how much you're adding, which is great when you're trying to get the seasoning just right. It's ideal for any kitchen setup. But here's an honest flaw. A few users found that it's on the heavier side, which might not be ideal for everyone. If you're someone who values lightweight tools, it may not be the best fit. But I think the quality and functionality make it worth it. This is perfect for you if you appreciate modern features and a stylish design. Skip this one if you need something lightweight or portable. It's a solid investment for your kitchen gear. Now, if you're looking for something even more affordable, the last product on our list might fit the bill perfectly. Product number 5, battery-operated grinder set. Finally, we have the battery-operated salt and pepper grinder set priced at just $12.64. This one is super affordable, and I was honestly impressed with its features for the price. If you want something budget-friendly that still gets the job done, this might be your best bet. This set comes with adjustable roughness and an LED light, which is impressive for the price point. It requires 6 AAA batteries, which are not included, but the ease of use makes it a great addition to any kitchen. It's perfect for both casual cooks and those who love to entertain. However, some users reported that it doesn't have the same durability as pricier models. While it might not last as long, it's definitely a great starter option if you're not ready to invest heavily. This is perfect for you if you're just starting out in your cooking journey and need something practical. But skip this if you're looking for a long-term kitchen tool. For the price, it's tough to beat. So there you have it, 5 fantastic electric salt and pepper grinder sets to consider. Each offers something a little different, whether you're looking for budget options or something more premium. To wrap it up, we explored the Aigen electric grinder for precision, the Thermomaven for style, the Sanken for budget-friendly ease, the rechargeable beauty, and finally, the affordable battery-operated option. No matter what you're looking for, there's a grinder set here that can elevate your cooking experience. Happy seasoning!